In this video, I'm going to show you a temporary fix for stick drift here on an Xbox controller. Now, to permanently fix stick drift, you will need to open up the controller itself, but I know most people aren't going to want to do that, so let me walk you through a quick and easy workaround that you could try instead. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel. But begin by grabbing your controller and start rotating the analog sticks counterclockwise. Make sure to rotate them at least 3 full turns, pushing them all the way to the edges of the process. Now do the same thing clockwise, again ensuring full rotation to the border at least 3 times minimum. Now the idea here is to try and dislodge any dust or debris that may be causing the drift by moving it deeper into the controller where it's less likely to interfere. Next, go ahead and press down firmly on each analog stick and repeat the exact same rotation process. First, counterclockwise at least 3 times and then clockwise while holding the stick all the way down. This is going to add extra pressure to help clear out anything stuck beneath the stick. Now, a final and optional tip, if you want to take it just like one step further, gently pull up on each of these analog sticks to create a small gap and just blow air into it. This is kind of going to act like cleaning out an old N64 cartridge. It can help push out any fine particles that are stuck inside. But that's it. Now keep in mind this isn't going to fix the stick drift permanently, but it can temporarily improve the issue without taking your controller apart. If this video did help, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more quick fixes. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.